Hello guys, underground mining need fast, stable and reliable communication. However, due to narrow tunnel, moving equipment and harsh condition, installing traditional network cable is difficult, risky and expensive. But no worries, we are here to make things easy for you. Today, introducing our underground Powerline Ethernet transfer systems, which provides smarter and more efficient solution. It uses the mine's existing power cables to transmit high-speed Ethernet signals. No additional wiring is required. Powered by advanced G.hn and OFDM technologies, our UPETS delivers clear and stable data, voice, video communication and real-time monitoring systems. Our products provides up to 1200 megabits per second bandwidth and a transmission distance of up to 500 meters. Nowadays, underground Powerline Ethernet transfer system is widely used in tunneling machine, oil moving equipment and smart mining systems around the world. So if you are looking for a fast, stable and effective underground network solution, we are here to provide you with the best possible support. So come on guys, we are always ready to deliver our high quality products. Thanks everyone.